that we can come here and have a good time, but we're using our brains while we're doing it. Because I could go anywhere else to any other club of different sorts, and people are just goofy sometimes, and you're not using your brain, and you may have a few laughs, but you forget it. You leave a Toastmasters meeting and you've learned something, you've had a good time, you've shared a few laughs, and you go home with something that you can use in your everyday life. On top.
And I don't deny that over the 2.5 years that I've been a Toastmaster, I did very well in my career. Just because every time I come to the meeting, I learn something new that I can apply to my practice. And the encouragement, leadership, mentoring, everything that I'm getting from the club members helps me to do what I'm doing and better every day.
What I enjoyed about Hilltop's Toastmasters, that's a very warm and supportive group, and they make you feel really comfortable when you come in, and it's not intimidating. I've been to other Toastmasters and it was a scary thing for me, but when I first came to Hilltop, I actually came back a second time and a third time and joined.
As immigrants, I have accents, so when I joined Toastmaster, in here, when I joined over here, and I found the group very supportive. It's not intimidating at all, and wherever I talk, nobody laughs at me, so I found, every time when I finish the meeting, I go home, I feel very good and very positive. I always gain something from the meeting.
First one is the motivation to get you going. It helps me in my life. It just kind of pushes me forward. And it helps me to overcome my own obstacles. The second benefit is the encouragement that I'm getting from other people, from their support, from their friendship.
On top of that, I can now get up in front of a room of people and speak without wanting to throw up.
Hilltop Toastmasters is more than just public speaking. I have made great friends at Hilltop Toastmasters. Everyone who's in the club is warm and outgoing and very supportive.
Before I joined Toastmasters, I was still giving speeches, I was still giving presentations, but I was called boring. I had a very flat voice, I had a very monotone voice, and with Toastmasters it has really helped me to develop my vocal variety, my gestures, and really getting to understand the audience so that I can make a speech that's relevant to everyone.
I was a very quiet person, and I hardly can express myself. Since I joined Toastmasters, I learned how to speak, and it's kind of release my stress, or I can express my idea, or can communicate with other people.
The most incredible feeling is coming out of a Hilltop Toastmasters meeting. I feel recharged. I have made friends here. I've grown my whole environment of new people to come in and have hugs and talk, and we get to really express ourselves. So when I leave here, it's like the beginning of the day. It's awesome.
So you come in and you'll leave having had usually a really great time.